So I'm in the kitchen, right? And I've got this bowl of cream, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna whip this. I'm gonna whip the crap out of it. Because that's what you do. You whip it. You don't ask questions. You just go. So I grab the whisk and I start going at it. And the cream is just sitting there like some kind of idiot. It's not even moving. It's just sitting. And that makes me mad. Like, really mad. So I start whipping it harder and harder. And now my arm is doing this weird shaky thing. But I don't care. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna beat the cream. And then my wrist just freaks out. It makes this crunchy noise, like it's yelling at me. And I'm like, hey, no, not now. But the cream is finally starting to look like something. So I keep going, because I'm not letting some stupid wrist tell me what to do. So I switch hands, and now everything looks wrong. The bowl is sliding around like it's trying to run away. The cream is splashing like it's scared. And I'm just standing there, breathing all heavy, trying to whip this stupid cream that thinks it's better than me. And then I'm like, great, I sprained my wrist because of cream, because I whipped it too fast. And the cream is just sitting there all fluffy like it won or something. But I still ate it, because I'm not letting cream beat me.